Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit $500 or more on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description, make sure you sign up and get involved today. We've also struck up a great partnership this month with BitUnix, who are offering up to $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up there as well. So just a quick look at XRP today then on our daily time frame. As we can see, after we tapped the all-time high, we did drop here and we got that huge crazy liquidation for the altcoin basket that we saw all the way down to 176 down there. Very nice indeed. Right now sitting at around $2.30 and we are basically just going sideways. You can see over the past week, high correlation to the altcoin basket, although holding a little bit stronger than most cryptos, I would say. Still relatively close to its all-time high and looking very strong. Similar to Solana. Lots of other cryptos obviously nowhere near their all-time highs still, so XRP outperforming a lot of the market over the past 6 months because of that. Obviously went up from 50 cents to $3.30, so almost a 7x. Very nice price action indeed. And we have been looking strong since then. Big liquidation down into this area down here, where we got down to 177, but right now going sideways and we are waiting for Bitcoin to decide the direction. Not much to report today for any of our altcoins apart from that we're just waiting to see what Bitcoin will do next. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus, and BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.